guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So today is the very last day of the construction of our house. The very final touch, that 0.05% that we are waiting for, is the lights in our kitchen under the cabinet. So I am here at Citihardware, and I am here with my contractor, Jeremiah, from JLC Builders. So we're getting the strip light to go under the kitchen cabinets. This is the very last piece of the puzzle. So when getting strip lights, you can buy it per meter. So we're getting that one there, which is, what is it, $260 per meter, 5 meters. And then you also have to get the switch that plugs in to the wall. Did you test it?
Yeah.
Can you plug it in so we can see? So we're getting the tricolor. You can see there. So it changes colors. So we got 3 colors. Very nice.
Alexa? There's no Alexa here.
No Alexa.
Yeah.
Jeremiah loves my smart home
5 meters.
with all the Alexa. You can see, let's take a closer look at that.
Let's see if there's a missing light. Okay, it's good.
Good. So this is Citihardware. It's like the Home Depot of the Philippines, and they have everything. Look at that. They have metal breaker panels. All right, guys. I will see you back at the house. I'm gonna grab a few things also, some trim for the bathrooms, which I'll show you. Might as well use Jeremiah's van while we're here so I can transport them, because they're, were they like 10 feet long? Too hard to get on the motorcycle. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back at the homestead, the Filipino mansion, and Jeremiah and his worker are getting ready to do the lights. So this is the kitchen. It's a little bit of a mess right now because we had to move everything off the shelves and put everything on the island so that they could have some space. Filipinos are pretty short, so they need a step stool. So they got some molding. They're gonna put some molding so the cover the light. So, all right, I'll be back. So they got this molding that matches the quartz, pretty close anyways. It's a PVC. So they're gonna install that to hide the wire, and also the light won't be in your eyes. That's the plug right there. So let's see what we're gonna do here. All right, let's take a little peek. Keep this door closed. Putting the clips in for the lighting. All right, so they got that installed. Let's test it out. We'll turn these lights off. So this is a tri light. It's got tricolor, so there's 3 different colors there. White, what is it, sunlight? Shit, I'll have to look it up. It's got 3 different colors, so when you turn it off and turn it back on, it will change the color. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So that'll make Christine happy, so she can do dishes and have lots of light. So the electrician will come next week to finish the plug. They are not licensed electricians. So everything's done for now. So I'll be back. Well guys, speaking of light, look at this site. Is this gorgeous or what? The wife sitting out with the dogs underneath the stars. Got my basketball stadium lighting. It is gorgeous out here. I love this time of year because the weather is really nice. Love it. The house looks beautiful with the lights on. Let me give you a little look here. Can you see it? Looks beautiful. What a nice sight at night. All right, guys, I am going to show you the final product. The only issue that I ran into is the contractor said he's not an electrician, so he can't install the socket. But look at that. Got a fire roaring. Get rid of them mosquitoes. Yeah, so electrician should be coming Tuesday to finish the installation and install the plug. And oh look, you can see the lights. See the lights from in here. All right, let me show you the final product, and then that'll be the end of this video. And all right, stay tuned. Snuffy, snuffy. All right, guys, let's wrap this up. It's been a long day, and let's see the final product here. So this is the kitchen with everything back in place. I turn off the lights here. Actually, Alexa, turn off kitchen lights. Okay. So once I get this hooked up, it'll also be voice activated. So that'll be nice. So you can see it's got, see how they had to wire it down through the cabinet there and then wrapped it around. And they put this molding there, so without that molding, it would be like right in your face. So actually, where's that plug? So temporary, they got it to this plug so it's not on the switch. So if I reach in there, so those are the 3. So it is the tri-light, which is exactly what I wanted. It's our beautiful living room. Living space. Love the open design. Let me zoom out there. Look at Snuffy. Got Snuffy, got Snowball. Wiener. Where's old Sweener Wiener? Sweeter wiener. Sweeter wiener. Ew, ew. What do you think, hon? How's the kitchen?
Great.
Great. Jeremiah did a good job. Hey, get off the couch. All right, let me beat his ass and. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Until next time. Peace. Until next time.